In a cozy forest and under a bright blue sky lived a little baby wolf, curious and shy. He loved to play, run and howl all day, but his mama said gently, let's learn the right way. Oh, 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 oh. Brush your teeth, said Mama Wolf with a smile. Wash your paws and rest for a while. Baby wolf tried with a giggle and cheer, learning new habits every day of the year. Oh, oh, oh. He learned to share his toys with friends in the glade, say please and thank you in the forest shade. He even helped tidy leaves and sticks in a line, feeling proud as he did it just fine. Oh, oh. By the end of the day, the forest was bright. Baby wolf slept happy through the night. He dreamed of adventures but always knew good habits make life fun for me and you. Oh.